Redeeming your voucher is easy. Simply present it to the staff near the ticket booth, and it's ready to use. I started my visit at Baluarte de San Diego, then went to Fort Santiago, and ended at Casa, Manila. The Intramuros Pass is a great way to explore the rich history and beauty of Manila's walled city. It offers convenient access to several must-visit sites, making it a hassle-free experience for visitors. The well-preserved landmarks, informative exhibits, and scenic spots provide a perfect mix of history and culture. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a history enthusiast, the pass is definitely worth it for a deeper appreciation of Intramuros. I recently used the Intramuros Klook Pass and it made my visit to the historic walled city so much more convenient and enjoyable. The pass offers great value, as it covers entry to multiple popular attractions, including Fort Santiago, Casa Manila, and Baluarte de San Diego. It was a real time saver, allowing me to skip the lines and explore the sites without worrying about buying tickets at each location. The process of redeeming the pass was seamless, and the app made it easy to plan my day. I especially loved how the pass offered flexibility, letting me visit multiple attractions at my own pace. Overall, the Klook Pass enhanced my experience in Intramuros and made exploring this beautiful and historic area even more enjoyable. I highly recommend it for anyone planning to visit. Review of Intramuros. Intramuros, the historic heart of Manila, is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in the rich cultural and colonial history of the Philippines. Often referred to as the Walled City, Intramuros offers a glimpse into Manila's past with its preserved architecture, cobblestone streets, and centuries-old landmarks. One of the highlights is the iconic Fort Santiago, which played a significant role in Philippine history. The fort is well maintained and offers insightful exhibits about the country's struggle for independence. San Agustin Church, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is another must-see, with its stunning Baroque architecture and intricate interiors. Exploring Intramuros is like stepping back in time. The Manila Cathedral and Plaza Roma are beautifully preserved, adding to the area's old-world charm. You can also take a Casa, horse-drawn carriage, ride, which adds to the authentic experience. The local cafes and restaurants offer traditional Filipino cuisine, providing a perfect ending to a day of exploration. Whether you're a history buff or simply looking to enjoy the unique atmosphere, Intramuros offers a memorable experience that blends history, culture, and beauty. Highly recommended for first-time visitors to Manila.